Don't miss out. Our video today showcases the best budget-friendly options, guaranteed to satisfy you. Visit the description for pricing and comprehensive product information. Abiie Beyond. Wooden high chair is an excellent choice for parents who need an adjustable, sturdy option for their little ones. This innovative, high-quality product was made with safety in mind and has been heat sterilized at 248 degrees Fahrenheit. It also meets safety standards with its dual restraint system, which you can adjust to a 5 or a 3-point harness. In addition to providing the utmost safety, this high chair has the added convenience of the easy seat feature. Parents can easily adjust it to different heights within less than 20 seconds, transforming it from a high chair for babies and toddlers. For those times when messes occur, this product offers ease of cleaning thanks to its stain-resistant cushions and one-hand removable tray cover that is dishwasher safe. The Sweety Fox. Baby high chair in dark gray is the ideal companion for mealtime with your little one. This versatile high chair offers a range of features designed to make feeding time a breeze. With the ability to adjust to 7 different heights, this chair grows with your child, accommodating babies and toddlers at various developmental stages. The adjustable design ensures your child can comfortably join you at the table, whether it's for early feedings or family dinners. The dark gray color adds a modern touch to your home decor, while the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in uses. The chair also includes a secure and comfortable harness system to keep your baby safely in place during meals. Crafted with durability in mind, this high chair is easy to clean with its removable trays and waterproof cushion. Safety. First, 3-in-1. This high chair has a nice amounts of customizations for its low price. It works as an infant recliners with 3 different angle of recline, a toddler high chairs with 6 different height position, and the adjustable footrest. Plus, it turns into a child seats. It also wheels away when you don't need it and folds up for storage. In addition, it has a 5-point harness for safety. Users loved how easy to clean the cushion was. All it needs is a wipe down after meals. It's not an especially attractive high chair, given that it is entirely plastic and fairly bulky. But with its 60-pound weight limit, this can easily hold a big and messy toddler who needs their own mealtime space that can be cleaned up in a jiffy. The compact foldable design makes storage a breeze, saving space when not in use. Safety first prioritizes safety. Baby high chair is an excellent choice for parents looking for a high chair that is adjustable, foldable, and easy to clean. It features 7-position heights, 5-position reclining backrest, a 3-setting footrest, detachable double trays, a thick and soft padded cushion, reinforced 4-point and A-shaped metal tube supporting frame, 5-point safety harness, and a soft shoulder belt. And a 1-step brake system for easy movement and stability. The removable tray is easy to clean, making cleanup a snap. The stylish gray color complements any home decor, and the sturdy construction ensures durability. The assembly of this baby high chair is made incredibly simple, courtesy of its tool-free, self-locking mechanism. Cleaning is a cinch, with the tray easily detachable and the PU seat featuring a waterproof, wipeable surface. Its adaptability is a standout feature, transforming into numerous modes, including a full-sized baby high chair, a dining booster seat, a small dining chair, a toddler chair with a padded cushion, a universal kids chair, a child stool, a kids learning table lamp chair, and even a building block table lamp chair. It caters to children aged 6 months to 10 years, accommodating their developmental stages. The design exudes timelessness, ensuring it complements any environment. Safety enhancements include an adjustable 5-point safety belt, shoulder pad, and a stable pyramid structure equipped with anti-slip pads for superior stability. Dream on Me. Introducing the Dream on Me Portable. 2-in-1 Table Talk high chair in a delightful pink color. the perfect dining companion for your little one. This high chair offers versatility, portability, and convenience in one compact package. The two-in-one design seamlessly transitions from a high chair to a convenient table and chair set, catering to both mealtime and playtime needs. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to move around the house or take on the go, ensuring your child can comfortably sit and eat wherever you are. The Table Talk high chair features a secure 5-point harness for your child's safety during meals. The removable tray is simple to clean, making mealtime cleanup hassle-free. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, providing long-lasting use as your child grows. The vibrant pink color adds a playful touch to any space, and the compact design allows for... Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.